Hi y'all, I'm Chase, and this is my 2021 Harley-Davidson Pan America Special. This is a fuel economy update. Well, let's see what kind of fuel economy we got today. I didn't put a whole lot of miles on her because it's November and it's starting to get cold. So let's see. Alright. That is to the little hole where I always fill it, so that way I can get a accurate measurement. And we used 1.646 gallons. Alright. We went 75. Alright, we went 75.8 miles, and we used 1.646 gallons. 46 miles to the gallon. Now, I don't know if it's because they switched over to winter gasoline, and that's doesn't get as good a fuel economy, or if it's the two updates that they did at Dover, but I've noticed that my fuel economy has dropped. So yeah, I don't know if it's, like I said, I don't know if it's winter fuel because there's winter and summer fuel, or if it's just that, you know, those two updates did something to the fuel economy. I couldn't tell you, but hopefully some guys will chime in with Pan Ams if they've seen the same thing after updates. But yeah, I was getting like 50 miles to the gallon, and I'm now getting 44 to 46. So my fuel economy has dropped 4 to 5 miles to the gallon easily. So I guess that's it. Like, comment, subscribe, click that link to be notified of any videos I come out with, and thank you for watching. Stay stubborn. Bye, y'all.